Hey YouTube, what's up? This is Jeremy from the Hangar Garage. Thanks for watching. We got a pretty quick video for you today. My 2001 740i started having some stalling problems on me. Checked codes and it was pointing to a faulty throttle position sensor. Now on this car, the throttle position sensor is integrated into the throttle body, so got to replace the whole throttle body to get that taken care of. That finally showed up. I'm about to install it. Follow along. So as I mentioned earlier in the video, I was having problems when my car was stalling out, and I was just starting to get really pissed because it wasn't throwing any codes at first. Eventually, I was able to catch, because for some reason the code would send off the check engine light, but then it would just go away. So eventually one day, I was just out for a drive, and I had Torque open, was monitoring everything through my Bluetooth OBD2 scanner, and managed to catch, when it started stumbling, that it was a throttle position sensor code. So my car has a built-in throttle position sensor to its electronic throttle body, so I'd have to replace the whole throttle body for that. Ordered a new one off eBay, all of $60 US, shipped. Glorious. All right, it's a hot day, so I have set up my own little makeshift shelter here to protect me from the elements, because I have delicate skin. So I'm going to be popping the engine cover off. Ta-da! Here's throttle body with integrated sensor. Now you can see I had to make my own wiring harness to adapt from the M62 engine throttle body electronic throttle body plug to the N62. So I'd already inspected that, and those look like they're okay, so I don't think I have a wiring problem. So I'm going to go ahead and pop the airbox and intake tube off and the throttle body off. That came off without too much trouble. It's really just these 4 bolts holding it into the intake manifold there. Not a problem at all. A little bit of clearance issue around this temp sensor on the water pump housing, but piece of cake really. So this is it. It's in pretty good condition apart from, you know, the bad sensor in it. So I ordered a replacement. Good old eBay. Just got myself a used one off of an 08 750i. Has the exact same specs as the one I just need to replace. The direct bolt on. Definitely not using the gasket that came on this one. That's a little scummy. Did come with bolts though, so that's handy. But anyway, I'm gonna clean this up because it's a little crusty and get it installed. All right, so coming around to the back of the house now to use some of my favorite stuff in the world, Brakleen. Gosh, this stuff is just amazing. Anyway, I don't have actual throttle body cleaner product on hand with me right now, so I'm just gonna use Brakleen, which should work just fine. Hit it with the Brakleen, got it cleaned out quite a bit. Pretty happy with it. I took a wool cloth to the inside, got it cleaned out. Looks much better now. I'm going to swap this gasket out now, put a better one on, and get it into the car. Okay, as you saw, we got it all back together. Now I'm going to wait until after I give it a good test run and check engine codes and make sure it's running solid before I bother putting that friggin' plastic engine cover back on, because it just, it's a plastic engine cover. Who needs them? So anyway, all buttoned up, got it all wired back in, everything connected, tightened back down, and we're going to fire it up here in a little bit, clear the codes, and see what she does. So far, no codes. It's I'm pretty happy about that at the moment. Just got back from a about 10-mile test drive, and everything seems good so far. I'm gonna keep driving it over the next few days, kind of keeping an eye on everything. I got my Bluetooth OBD2 scanner hooked up in her, and I'm using the Torque app to kind of monitor all the levels of everything. So should be fixed, but we'll see. Thanks for watching, guys. Please consider liking, subscribing, sharing with your friends, and just kind of following along with us as we do stupid things with cars. Thanks.